Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel! And for today's video, we are making a flower, a stunning flower. Look at this one. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this thing and some sort of decoration. So first of all, I would like to thank my viewers, my subscribers, my friends, my family of course, for supporting me here in my YouTube channel, and keep on watching guys. I hope you don't feel bored. And as you observe, I'm speaking in English now because someone's asking me to do it, so let's go. Let's decorate. Hey, it's Ahra here and welcome back to my YouTube channel! And if you're new here on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. And what are the materials do we need? We have a A4 size of a colored or bond paper. It doesn't matter what color you want. So, I have here my price tag, a colored paper, and we will use a glue gun. But for the kids who will use the glue gun, for the kids who's watching this tutorial for how to make a flower from paper, guys, please be reminded to ask your parents or guardian because we will use this. We will use a glue gun. So glue gun is partially hot on this side. Not partially, it's really hot. So maybe to avoid also the accident. And for the next thing, we also need the glue stick for our glue gun. We need a double-sided tape or adhesive tape and scissor. So let's start. So this is my materials. So I'm going to use first the A4 or A4 size of colored paper. So we will use a pink. We will use a pink color. We need 8 pieces of A4. Take the square part of A4. So how do we take the square part of A4? All you need to do is fold it in this size, triangular size. Yeah, like this. Carefully fold it. And as you can see, we have here, you can fold it also here lengthwise. And cut it. Kids, be reminded, for those kids who who's watching this video, please be reminded to ask elders, your guardian, or your parents to guide you for using a scissors. Square size of a A4. So we're going to make this in the 8 pieces page of A4. The next thing we have to do is fold the square size A4. Okay, so we're going to fold this in half, one, and then in a half again. So we have it. So it looks like this. So this side, you see this line that we made before? We're going to fold it like this. triangular form. And there you are. We have a triangular form now. And then after that, we will cut here a heart. Like this. So I'm going to make this in the all 6 pieces, all 7 pieces left here. So now we are done folding all the square size from A4. So it's all triangular now. All we need to do is trace down this heart we made earlier. So we will make like this and then pattern it. Take some pencil so you will have the pattern. Same pattern like you did on the first one. So after you fold it and cut it into hearts, so the next step is we will count the petals. It should be 8 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. And then you have to cut it right here on one side through like this, to be like this. And then glue it here. Should be like this. So now it's 7 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have the base line of the flower. The next step is we will remove one, set aside this one. We will remove a 1 petal. Have to remove the 1 petal. Set aside this petal, save it for later. We have now, the next one is, we have to remove a 2 petals. Set aside also this one, save it for the next. And then we have to remove 3 petals. Remember guys, you have to cut it through the edge or to the center of this one and save the petals to remove. Okay? We have the 3, save it for the next time. And then the last one, we have to cut it into 4 or cut it in half. Okay, save it for the next time. Remember the first petal we remove, take it and then roll it. Take the 2 petals we removed earlier, roll it again, this side. So take the 3 pieces. So this time you have to clip here. After you fold it, glue the tip or the edge of the petals. The next one is the 4 pieces. Be like this, set aside. Set aside this flower. So take the first petal and then cut the edge. To put some glue here. And there we go. So I have here 4 pieces of A4.